Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration bypass. So I need to put about u equals to s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to the s. dv we have cosecant of 3s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 and we have negative sign here. Cosine 3s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have negative s over 3 cosine 3s minus. We have the u multiplied by v. Because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive, and we have 1 over 3. And we have the integration cosine 3s ds. This one, we have cosine 3s over sine s. Cosine 3s over sine 3s. The integration of this one, that is about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of sine 3s. And we put about c. Number 3 and number 3, you got about 1 over 9 ln of the absolute value of sine 3s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.